New disease from Asia dubbed salamander plague rapidly spreading through Germany. A new deadly pathogen from Asia has emerged in parts of Germany with striking similarities to the pandemic. A new pathogen has emerged in the Ruhr district of Germany, a highly populated urban area in North Rhine-Westphalia. The disease, which has similarities to the pandemic, is understood to have originated from Asia and threatens certain animal species. But there is currently no danger to humans. The new pathogen is the deadly skin fungus Batrachochytrium salamandrivirans, more commonly known as Bzil, according to German press agency dpa. The fungus is particularly dangerous for fire salamanders, the amphibian known for their black bodies with bright yellow markings, and crested newts, which is a protected species in Germany. The pathogen is currently spreading rapidly in parts of the Ruhr area, with experts dubbing it the salamander plague. They fear it could completely wipe out affected species. Bzil is believed to have entered Europe via the importation of Asian salamanders. Dortmund animal welfare expert Hans-Dieter Otterbohm, from the nature conservation organization AGARD, said it is highly likely the skin fungus originated from Asia, but the exact region is not yet known. The dangerous pathogen has already spread across parts of Germany, first appearing in the northern mountain range of Eifel, before spreading to Ruhr. The skin fungus has already caused a sharp decline in the population of fire salamanders in both regions.